I'm Jeremy from Sundown Visual, and we are now here in the beautiful island of Samal. So quick information about Samal. Number 1, although this island is nearby Davao City, it's actually part of Davao del Norte. Number 2, this island boasts of world-class resorts which offer a wide range of exciting aquatic activities. Number 3, bringing pork products is strictly prohibited as part of the government's efforts to combat the spread of ASF. And unfortunately, that includes lechon. So that's it for now, and on to the next one.
Sundown Visual! Kembali Coast! I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the light comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, they keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something.
Kembali Coast. Now, first things first, ang Kembali Coast po ay hindi po to resort, rather it's a high-end residential subdivision with its own shoreline. Kembali actually means to return or come back in the Indonesian language.
Rich, kapag iniwan ka ng girlfriend mo, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. At sigawan mo na alam mo na.
Kembali! Though meron namang mga homeowners na nagpaparent ng condo units nila, or in our case naman, we rented out this house which is just a few hundred meters away from the beach. So that's all for today, and see you again tomorrow.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here.
What is up, Sundown Squad? We are here at Kembali Coast enjoying this.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be?
Home stretch, always the most tiring part of the journey, but it's well worth it.
Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah.
And that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed our content, and if you did, please keep on following us and we will try to give you more of these videos. And a special thanks to Miss Kim, who has really been incredible, outstanding, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. You can follow her in her social media pages, linked down below. See you again in our next trip.
Told you we're over, I swear that